Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I've got to say, the place where I'm most confident is when I'm suspended in the middle of the air, reaching terminal velocity, having just jumped out of an airplane. That might sound a little crazy, but it is. I know what all the variables are. I know where I'm coming from and where I'm going. And for me, that's where I want to be. It's outside of life. It's a total escape. And quite honestly, it's where I feel most comfortable. 120 plus miles an hour, staring straight at where I know I'm going. Yeah. Hey, all right. Listen up, people. 25 grand. That's right, 25 G's to the first cocksucker to nail a bullseye. All right? Watch and learn, people. Come here. 1, 2, throw! My name is Jordan Belfort. No, not him. Me. I'm a former member of the middle class, raised by 2 accountants in a tiny apartment in Bayside, Queens. The year I turned 26, I made $49 million as the head of my own brokerage firm. Which really pissed me off, because it was 3 shy of $1 million a week. Hey, my Ferrari was white, like Don Johnson's in Miami Vice. Let's get it right. Do it again. Come on.